NASDAQ the previous week has felt in value, and we can see how this has behaved. Because of this strong bearish candle where the price has gone below 19,500, the price has reached to the next support level, which was right here at 18,800. And we can see for 2 days the price has waited and could not make a bearish breakout, but these candles was indication that there is something much stronger than the bulls here, because the price is forming these candles with a close price much lower than the candles before. So here we can see that at the end of the week the price formed a strong bearish candle where the price has gone below one support level, second support level, and the third support level has stopped at 18,300. Now the weekly time frame shows us that the previous week has closed as a bearish candle, and it's pretty strong bearish candle body where the price is stopped at very important support level at 18,300. Now the monthly time frame just started, so we cannot make any conclusions, because we can see in the previous month the price has formed this strong very large wick on the lower side, but it has returned back up. So what will happen during this month? We can see that very important support level is currently where the price is, and the very important resistance level will be around this area here, 19,738. Now we have much more than 1 week until this month close, so I will skip this one because the monthly time frame currently cannot show me where the price will go, but I can see that this is very important support level and this is a resistance. Now the weekly time frame shows us that currently the price is at a very important support level, and if it breaks, this means continuation of the bearish momentum where the next stop will be around 70,630. The daily time frame shows us much more clear information because the price is currently at this support level. The next where the price could go is around this area here, which is 18,500 resistance level where the price could make a retrace, but also there is a possibility that the price also returns all the way back up here at 18,717. So this is something that we'll see today, how the price behaves on the Monday, because it is a very important day where the price could go in the future, because at the start of the week the traders also forms the trend for the future movements during the week. I will also share the daily analysis with the traders inside the Telegram group, so you can also check the Telegram. Link will be below in the description. It's completely free, so you can also join and check the daily analysis I share with the traders. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.